I've incorporated all the 3 principles of universal design for learning in my unit plan. Please refer to the semantic map that I created, which includes specific examples for each of the principles. The first principle is multiple means of representation. In my lessons, I will use multiple modalities to accommodate all learners with different learning strengths. These modalities include visual, auditory, kinesthetic, and printed text. For example, my oral lecture is supplemented with PowerPoint slides with informative pictures. There will also be written description on each slide, and students will be writing it down in their guided notes. This method will give visual as well as auditory learners an access to the content. Here is another example. During a lab, students will use microscope to learn the structures of cells. They will also examine all stages of cell division under microscopes. Then, they will organize cards with pictures of different stages of cell division in the correct order. This activity will help both visual and kinesthetic learners access the content. The second principle is multiple means of action and expression. Here, students will have many options to express their understanding of the content. One of the major activities in my unit is the cell organelle art project. In this activity, each group will build a cell organelle model. Students will choose their media for the art. Some may use computers, others may use pens and paints. They have a number of tools to express their knowledge. At the end of the unit, the students will give oral presentation as a summative assessment. A traditional formal written test will also be given to the students. The last principle is multiple means of engagement. The cell art project will engage many students with different learning strengths. A group project like this will also foster communication and collaboration. Therefore, it offers more support for sustained engagement. Another way to increase students' interest and motivation is to use material that is relevant to students' lives. There will be a lecture about how human hair grows, and the topic is relevant to all students. There will also be a lecture about cancer cells, and these real-life phenomena will make the content more authentic and meaningful to students. These are some of the examples of universal designs in my unit plan. Thank you for listening.